Don't hit the back brake. Off the dirt bike, James. Don't hit the front. Do not hit the front brake over that.
Do something.
Okay.
Yeah, but then you slide like this and go over the hill.
You gotta hit it hard.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I did. I'm done. Take it.
How about?
And I kicked it. Now I got a wedgie. You video!
You told me to.
I'm already on YouTube.
I'm still videotaping.
Oh, God.
We need to hit it one day. Jesus Christ. You said she was going to beat you.
Sheldon Wheeler hit me. I set my dirt
There
bike.
comes Mike.
And he hit me with the foot. Oh, God.
Let me see that bike real quick. Can I see the bike real quick?
My bike? I don't have a bike.
Yeah.
I wear my pants.
Here.
Hey, really? She had a bike in her
Is it recording? Yeah. Whee! Oh my God!
Alright, well,
Wow, what recording? I did.
I don't want to get more of it.
You guys are on the video camera.
oh, I'd be in on the...
Hello. James.
Leave my way.
Do Willie, I'll video you.
I can't do it.
Why? Oh, oh, oh!
Just move out of the way because people are wrecked. It'd be so great.
Where'd he go?
Down the hill.
Good job.
Oh, nice. Smells good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.